nation's favourite dance moment, and it's nearly time to reveal our number one dance. But before we do, here's a reminder of the classic dance moves that have already made the countdown. It's finally time to reveal the nation's favourite dance moment as voted for by ITV viewers. And it comes from a true dance legend. A movie star whose innovative style influenced everyone from Justin Timberlake to Michael Jackson.
If Fred Astaire was champagne and caviar, Gene Kelly was beer in the bag.
He was a bit of a rogue. He was kind of rough around the edges, but he was always so smooth. He was showbiz.
In 1952, Gene Kelly choreographed and starred in the film that for many remains the greatest musical ever made.
California today is just a little heavier than usual.
Really?
My icebox, sun shining all over.
Singing in the Rain, without doubt, is my favourite musical of all time. He's fallen in love head over heels, and nothing else in the world matters. That's how love makes you feel, encapsulated
Singing in the rain, what a glorious. Gene is wonderful. The song is wonderful. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. Gene had a way of showing happiness because he was an athletic person and he could move with great feeling of freedom and expression by the way he danced and moved. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain.
Gene Kelly had the ability to turn a prop into another human being. An umbrella, as he holds it, you can imagine that's his woman.
I'm happy again.
This legendary scene took director Stanley Donen 3 days to shoot and was fraught with difficulties.
People often say to me, that must have been a lot of fun to make that movie. I say, are you out of your mind? I mean, it's nothing but complication. We shot it on the MGM street, and in Culver City in the warm days, in the afternoon people watered their lawns, and we lost enough pressure on the water that we couldn't shoot after 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
The first time I saw Singing in the Rain, I must have been about 7 years old. And he's probably one of the reasons I first started dancing.
In 2008, more than 14 million viewers watched George perform the street dance version of Singing in the Rain that won him the second series of Britain's Got Talent.
For that 3 minutes of my life, I felt incredible. And I can imagine that's how Gene Kelly probably felt most of his life.
More than 50 years on from when it was first released, Singing in the Rain remains as popular as ever, and it's now, officially, the nation's favourite dance moment.
Singing in the Rain, I mean, genius.
It's one of those things that people are just never going to forget. Something that will live on for years and years to come.
Everybody likes to splash water. It's what we did in childhood. When you've seen it, you want to go out and dance in the rain.
I don't think you can be a dancer and not like Singing in the Rain.
It was just amazing how that beautiful scene can make you feel happy all of a sudden for no reason.
If you don't like Singing in the Rain, get a life. There's something wrong with you. Go and see a doctor.
Dancing and singing in the rain. I'm delighted that everybody likes it, and they still like it 60, 70 years later. I knew they were brilliant, the British public, but now I know they're geniuses.